In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to change your Google Play Store country permanently right from your desktop. It's crucial to note that Google only allows this change once every 12 months, so think it through before making the switch. First, open your web browser and go to pay.google.com. Log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, locate and click on Payments Profile. Find the Country Region section and click on the pen icon to edit. Now, click on Create New Profile to initiate the country change process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the country change process. Be sure to provide accurate information. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand some important points. This change is recommended by Google only if you are permanently moving to a different country, not for accessing apps temporarily. Keep in mind that you won't be able to change your country again for a full year. Google Play Balance is linked to your current country, so you won't be able to use it until you switch back. If Google Play Pass isn't available in the new country, you won't be able to access additional Play Pass apps. Note that this option is not available if you have a Family Link library. Changing your Google Play Store country is a significant decision, so make sure to understand the implications and follow the steps carefully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.